The last step in finishing up the bellflower inlay is to place these little circle inlays 1/4 inch diameter at this point, and then 3 1/8 inch diameter circles. So on the drill press I've used brad point drills to just drill those holes down about 3/16 of an inch or so. So the other thing I did is I created squares of holly, 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch squares, and then I jammed them through this dowel maker kind of plate. Just hammered them through. I had to knock the corners back with a plane before sticking them in these little tiny holes and jamming them through. So they were more like octagons, not squares like this. Octagons when they went into the template, and then I just hammered them down through, and that results in a nice round dowel. The grain direction, of course, is like a dowel, vertical grain, and that means that end grain is showing here, but with holly it makes no difference. There really is not a grain showing in holly. So these are ready to, I've got a couple of little cuts here, and we'll see if we can get those embedded in and glued in. Opening up the glue pot and covering that hole. I like to hold these things with needle nose pliers and see if I can get it started. Of course, it's not going to go down very far because I'm just compressing that glue that's down in the hole, but that's enough. Let's try one of the 1/8 inch pieces. A little bit harder to get these started in there. I didn't taper the ends to make it easier. That went in well. Let's try another one of those. Yes. Okay. One more. Those are sticking up fairly proud, so I'm going to have to be careful about breaking them off. I'll probably saw cut with one of these kinds of saws to get that down closer to the surface, and then work it with a hand plane to flatten it out. So I'll leave that overnight.